Oh, it's on now.
Be strong.
What's up, J2R family? Welcome back, and if you haven't been to our channel before, I am Johnny, and I will be checking out episode 3 of Chainsaw Man. This is Meowy's Whereabouts. I don't know, that is very hard to say. Meowy's Whereabouts. I don't know, I have a hard time saying it. But anyway, if you guys haven't been to our channel before and it's first time here and you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You can check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Patreon. So I've been going through these episodes. This is episode 3. You can go back and check out the other episodes if you want to. I'll put a card up here, link in the description below. You guys can check those out. But these episodes are really cool so far. It looks like in the last episode that Denji has gotten a partner now by the name of Power. I guess she's like a blood fiend or whatever. I'm not too sure. Or Power the Blood Fiend. I don't know. But that's his new partner. And they're going to go through the episodes, I guess, together fighting other devils. I'm not too sure exactly what's going to go on. But it looks like it's really getting into it. And Denji is becoming part of the team. It looks like, you know, his main goal is to touch some boobs. I mean, that just seems to be his main goal, his dream, his fantasy, and everything else. So I think he's going to do whatever it takes to accomplish that goal. But I think we'll go ahead and get into it and see what happens in episode 3. I guess they're arguing over who was supposed to kill the devil. That's all he thinks about. He's definitely not happy about that. I'm not sure if they're gonna have like different openings yet. It seems like we get a different ending every time, but the openings seem to be the same. So hopefully we get a different ending again, and maybe episode 4 they'll come out with another maybe opening. So I guess she has to get approval to leave. So that's Makima's job, or she basically, you know, raises the new recruits that she finds and gets them to where they need to be and then put them to work. But obviously not to get too attached because they're disposable, I guess. Kayasawa and Denji just, I don't think they'll ever get along. So it looks like it's where they need to be. So that was the deal. She had to bring him, I guess, human blood to get her cat back. It's like a big bat, like a giant bat. Oh, he's gonna like wreak havoc on the whole city. Alright, so that was the deal. She's supposed to get her cat back. It's not going to be good. That's not good. She's going to go crazy on him. Yeah, this isn't going to be good for him because she like raised that cat from nothing. Yeah, she's gonna wreck him. I don't think she's gonna leave him alive. Oh yeah, that bat devil's done. He is done. I'm almost thinking power is gonna explode out of him or something too. He's gonna throw a car at him. He caught that like nothing. That's awesome. What is this? Well, that was pretty cool. He just destroyed like half the city with that. Oh yeah, here we go. His fingers are all like broken. Oh, it's on now. Alright, so that is the end of episode 3. Meowy whereabouts. Well, it looks like they found the cat, obviously. It looks like that power was working for the Bat Devil. Really just to find her, to get her cat back. It's not like she was like really like working with him, I guess. Obviously because he ate her as well. I'm still upset that she's not around. She's got to come back. She can't be gone. But it looks like definitely that Denji is definitely driven by copping a feel or touching some boobs. I mean, that definitely seems to be his dream, his driving force. So, you know, he destroyed the Bat Devil. I mean, the Bat Devil's done. I'm really upset Power's not around. I really want to see him and Kayasawa work together. I hope they work together. I hope Kayasawa starts, you know, liking him better, seeing what he's capable of. I think he's going to be upset that Power is gone. I don't know what Denji's going to do now, but Denji definitely is probably going to, you know, find another set of boobs to want to cop a feel for to drive him onto the next devil that he has to destroy. But this is a really cool episode. I like it a lot. This show so far is just really cool. It's a little slow in the beginning of every episode, but then it picks up at the end there, and that's where it has like all the action and everything right at the end. But this is an awesome series. I like it. Definitely gonna do episode 4. You guys can check that out here on YouTube or you can check out the full episode on our Patreon account, whichever one you choose. But I hope you enjoyed that reaction. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new to J2R family or not yet a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You can also check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Patreon. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.